Can elegance be defined? Is it in the details? Wherever it is, you know it when you see it. When designing a bathroom, there's a truly elegant solution to choosing the perfect shower doors or bathroom enclosures. If you're going for a fresh, clean look, custom-made frameless shower enclosures and doors enhances any bathroom.
Welcome to my home. This is a custom-built 6,000 square foot spec home. It is 6 bedrooms, 7 bathrooms, located here in Boca Bath and Tennis.
At this new home, an original frameless shower door enclosure will soon be installed.
Hi, I'm John from the original Frameless Shower Doors. Today we're in sunny Boca Raton at one of our contractors' homes. We got a beautiful, big, low iron, frameless shower enclosure. It's going to be all cut to conform, totally frameless. We're going to bolt everything in with our custom-made hardware we make in-house. This is the hinge that we're going to bolt to the doors. It's going to allow the doors to go in, out, and self-center. We're going to use these big, heavy ladder poles to give it a formal entry look. So the customer is going to love it when it's done.
Original Frameless Shower Doors is the oldest frameless door company in the country. They custom make and ship enclosures typically within a week's time, with all the tech support you can ask for. For folks in South Florida, it's even easier. They can measure and install right in your home.
Today, we're in our national headquarters located in Coral Springs, Florida. Our new products that we design and make are on display right here. This is our clear slide. It's dual sliding, and what's special about this guy here is the header's made out of glass too. With just a couple of mounting brackets and some small wheels, it's just beautiful. So let me give you a tour around. Let me show you the factory. "30 years ago, I designed my first frameless shower door enclosure. Now it's become a worldwide brand. With technology today, it's streamlined the whole process. Once you place your order, your design goes right onto the production floor. We make all the glass in-house as well as our hardware. You get a lifetime warranty on our Stay Clean glass, nanotechnology. The glass goes into a chamber. All the pores of the glass get sealed permanently, both sides and the edges. Stain resistant, mildew resistant, more scratch resistant, 20% more brilliant. It's really a must-have, and the only place you get it is right here at the original Frameless Shower Doors. We are also the only shower door company in U.S. history to go to franchise. So now you could open up a frameless shower door anywhere in the United States. We'd love to have you as a partner. Come join our team.
The install progresses quickly. Once completed, there is definitely a wow factor.
Thanks a lot, guys. Beautiful job. There's a lot that goes into making and installing a custom frameless shower enclosure. First, the measurements have to be precise to the 1/16 of an inch. We have to cut everything out of square so it conforms to bellies, bows, out of squares. On frameless shower enclosures, we use 2 thicknesses, 3/8 of an inch thick and 1/2 inch heavy thick glass. Frameless Shower Doors really sets the bathroom apart from anything you've ever seen. It's very sexy looking, it's got a heavy feel to it, the hardware is brilliant, comes in many, many different finishes. It's like art for the bathroom.
One of the great things about working with the original Frameless Shower Doors is that they manufacture their own glass. Anything I ever need, I can make a phone call and they can be there immediately. I've enjoyed working with them for many years, and I look forward to many more projects.
All of our products are on display in over 120 locations across the country. If you're in the market for a new shower door or an enclosure, you want to refurbish your old bathroom, the nicest way is a new custom shower door. Stop on in, we'd love to see you.
Style, elegance, form and function. To find out more, go to framelessshowerdoors.com.